It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 2nd of November. I'm Michael Groff. Some high clouds around today, but then after that, a very persistent weather pattern will be with us. Dry conditions, warm days, cool nights, and mostly clear sky. And that's not going to change anytime soon. All right, first up, some housekeeping to deal with. We didn't have this graphic available yesterday. Let's take a look at those October climate statistics. And if the month felt rather pleasant, that's because it was. Overall, the average temperature, 74.8, and that's 2.6 degrees below normal. And 32/100ths of an inch of rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor made it the 55th wettest overall, so pretty much right in the middle of the pack. And as we take a look at the almanac from yesterday, a beautiful day, 85 degrees the afternoon high, 59 was the morning low, and that's pretty close to where we ought to be for this time of year. Looking out there right now at 8:30 a.m., a few high clouds around, and we're sitting at 65 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 39, relative humidity 38%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. The upper air look shows a zonal flow here across the southwest. A ridge will build in coming days, and that will result in temperatures warming up just a little bit. The watch warning map, extremely quiet. A few frost and freeze advisories extending from parts of the plains in the Midwest into the Ohio Valley. On the convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather across the country. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning. It's a big old steaming hot cup of nothing here across the southwest as this weather pattern isn't changing anytime soon. We will stay dry. All right, we'll get into it now as we take a look at the models, see what's going on there and what the future may hold. Here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. A ridge is building in from the west, and the heights are going to start coming up here, a dry northwesterly flow aloft. So down at the surface, partly cloudy today. High temperatures, low to mid-80s, pretty close to where we ought to be for this time of year. Tonight, a few clouds, but conditions very pleasant overall with lows in the mid-50s to low 60s. And then tomorrow and for much of the rest of the forecast period, persistent weather exemplified. We'll have troughing over the Pacific Northwest or just off the coast, and a downstream ridge will build in here across the southwest. And that's going to result in sunny to mostly sunny days and mostly clear nights, and highs mid to upper 80s for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, as we get to Monday, troughing will begin to deepen along the west coast. We see plenty of rain coming into central California on northward across the Pacific Northwest, high elevation snow, and precipitation making its way into the Great Basin. But again, with ridging sitting just to the east of us, most of this is going to get deflected to the north. This is a week from today, Tuesday, the 9th of November. And again, there's that trough and deep upper low right along the Pacific Northwest coast. But all of this energy, or at least most of it, will stay north of Arizona. We will start to see conditions cooling off as we go to the middle part of the next week. This is the end of the forecast period, Thursday, the 11th of November. That trough now digs in across the Intermountain West and then ultimately out into the Plain States. We are left on the tail end of this system with somewhat cooler temperatures. I would imagine highs dropping back into the mid-70s or so if this verifies. Maybe some breezy conditions, but no meaningful chances of precipitation. And as we take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area going out through the 16th of November, this is coming off of the European ensemble. Forget it. No significant rainfall expected. And temperatures off the national blend of models, again, very consistent. Highs mostly in the mid to upper 80s, overnight lows right around 60, give or take, and then temperatures trailing off as we go toward the middle and latter part of next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.